Really? So I flipped the camera around so you wouldn't have my face all up in the camera looking at the picture, and then so it sends me back a picture of an eye looking back at me. That's the spirits that communicate with me have a great sense of humor. I love them. That's fucked up, man. But you know, it's okay. We just walked out of the Mosier Tunnels, and I'm a psychic. And the second I stepped out of the car, last thing on my mind, man, one of these little ugly booglies went between my feet. So I turned on my spirit talker a few minutes ago. But I've gotten a lot of crazy messages here today. And mostly Native American. And I'll mostly keep it to myself because I choose to not exploit that. But I let some of it out there. That's pretty natural, but I don't. The rest of it I keep that private out of respect. Oh, is that another train coming, Graham? On the other side, on Washington? Ooh. I want to watch it. Because we can see it better from here.
Benjamin.
Get it on camera. Get off of this.